So, and let me get my stuff, because it's like it's all over the place. So, oh, I got a notebook. Yay, I got a new notebook. Okay, hey folks. So I wanted to come on and talk to you. We have a DIY, but I had to kind of record it twice. So it's 2 parts. It might be a little wonky, but hopefully I'll get everything out this time. All right, so our box is now painted and ready to go. But before I get there, I just wanted to say, I grew up, I was raised as Catholic, and let me get my stuff, because it's like it's all over the place. So, oh, I got a notebook. Yay, I got a new notebook. I got stuff. I got holes in every area code. Ooh, okay. I've been busy. That's something else. That's something else too. Where's the final piece? Hey folks, so this video had to be recorded in a few parts. I started this some time ago and then had to come back and revisit because there was just this piece that I felt like was missing that I want to just talk about it quickly before we get to the rest of the video. So part of it is that you guys know that I was raised Catholic and you know, went to church, and you know, in the church, you don't really, at least in Catholic church, you hear about the Bible and you get those references and those stories, but growing up I didn't really read the Bible too much. It wasn't until later on when I started, you know, exploring on my own and trying out, going to different churches, that I really got into reading and studying the Bible. And one of those stories was the Ark of the Covenant, right? And as I was doing this DIY, it kind of just stayed with me. And so I think it's Exodus chapter 25. I found the video the other day. I'll link it below if anybody wants to see it for themselves. Exodus chapter 25, it describes the Ark of the Covenant, right? How it looks, and it's this box that's covered in gold. And what was most important to me, or what stands out the most to me, is that it is where the commandments were held. So this month, the law of the month is Saint Jacques for me, and of course this is part of the work, right, that we do. Creating an altar item always it helps right, to do your work along the way as you're working with a particular spirit. So this month we're doing this. I have so many names for it, so you can choose one or the other for yourself. We'll just call it the magic box for now. It could be a treasure chest, but it's really dealing with the matters of the heart. Okay, again, what stood out to me was that the Ark of the Covenant is what contained the commandments. So you could pretty much do the same thing. This is what this box is about. Okay, so all of these items that I have here, again, are from the Dollar Tree, one of my favorite spots, right? And now that the box has been painted, the mirrors here on the inside, I have little flowers that was left over from the last project. And I have here, which I think I spoke about in the other part, some decorative paper. What you want to do as part of your altar work, okay, during this month, and I recently created a Facebook page, so I think that's one of the things that I'll do, is draw one of these Power of Love activation cards by James Prague. I could put that link below. And what you want to do is, while you're doing your work, one more thing that I forgot to say, that I wanted to say, was I felt like I wanted this to be aquamarine. It didn't quite come out that way because the blue doesn't really come out so much. The green kind of just took over. And what it said to me, what kept coming up for me was this heart chakra. Working with the matters of the heart and really your heartfelt desires, okay? So part of the work is putting in your true heart desires, or your true desires are held close to your heart. Not a lot of people know them, okay? Most people will not know the true desire of your heart. Please tell me that I was recording this time. I hope so. It says record. Okay. So your true desires, not too many people will know what it is. And this here gives you an opportunity to, it gives a place to put it, and it gives you a chance to express it and bring it to life, okay? So you have your decorative paper, and I'm going to go ahead and do it here on camera, just as an example. Okay, so I wrote my piece here, and take it, this piece, you already did most of the work, right? You got your decorations, you decorated it if you choose to, and you place your desire here in the box. Now it could be written, or you can use pieces. I have a few pieces myself that I got a little heart here, okay, a car, it won't hurt. Okay, and you know, for money, here you go, got a little register here. Lord have mercy, my babies are grown. They're not gonna be playing around with this. I guess that other piece I'm going to, this little register I'll throw out. Or maybe I could do something else with it. Who knows? But for money, got some paper money here. Woo, dollar bill, y'all. Cash rules. Oh, we got 20s. Okay, so we can take this here. Okay, ooh. All right, big face. Got our big faces in here. And you take your money and you go ahead and place it in the treasure box if that is what you so desire. And again, oh, okay, so I have a few pieces that I will go ahead and put in later on. Some coins too. Okay. So you have that. And part of the work that you want to do is in order to activate your heart chakra, okay, you want to draw your cards. Now your first time around, you can do a spread, whatever spread you like, you know. If you want to do a 3-card spread, or every day, for as long as you like, it could be for the next month or however long you like, you can also draw a card, okay? And this box is yours, and it contains all of your secret treasures. A great way to manifest as well is to do scripting. So you draw your cards and you have your little notebooks. I have a whole stack. And you do your scripting, you write it out. Oh, okay, well, this, that, and the third. Whatever way you feel is the most suitable, okay? So this is what I wanted to share with you. The DIY for, I think it's going to be a little while before the next one. Who knows? Because we're going into a different direction now that we're doing the work, okay? So I hope that this helps you. I want to hear your thoughts. If you've done something similar, created a box or something, feel free to tag me on Instagram. You can find me at Haitian Holistic. Let's say #treasure-chest. And I'll see you next time. Following this will be a clip of how I went ahead and prepared this bad boy right here. All right. Okay, folks, so here are some of the items. It's too damn high. That's too high. Now I don't got no head. Jesus Christ. Ooh. Okay, so we're working with matters of the heart. So in this instance, you're going to need some pieces of paper, okay? And on this paper, you could use plain solid colors here in this book, or you could find some decorative paper. You could find some decorative paper and write your deepest desire. This is probably something that nobody knows and nobody has to know, because it's going into your treasure chest, okay? And in here are all matters of the heart that goes into this chest, right? For the final piece, we'll be putting this mirror here, okay? And all of your desires will go in here as well, okay? That is your altar work. That's the work that you'll be doing.